Dishwasher. Introduction of the dishwasher. Commercial dishwashers. Machine construction details. Working principles of commercial dishwasher machines. Commercial dishwasher machines, parts and functions guide. Essential tools for commercial dishwasher machines. Commercial dishwasher electrical and electronic components. Guide. Commercial dishwasher machine servicing guide. Commercial dishwasher machines control circuit. Introduction to dishwashers. A dishwasher is a modern appliance designed to automate the process of cleaning dishes, cookware, and cutlery, making kitchen tasks more efficient and time-saving. Dishwashers have evolved significantly from basic models to highly advanced machines featuring energy-efficient technology, multiple wash cycles, and sophisticated sensors that detect the level of cleaning required. Using a combination of hot water, detergent, and mechanical motion, dishwashers are an essential tool in both residential and commercial kitchens, helping to ensure hygiene while reducing manual labor. History and evolution of dishwashers. The dishwasher has come a long way since its inception in the late 1800s, transitioning from hand-powered devices to the fully automated machines we have today. Early models were bulky and manually operated, while modern dishwashers boast smart technologies that optimize performance. Basic components of a dishwasher. A dishwasher is made up of several key components that work together to achieve effective cleaning. Water pump. The pump circulates water through the dishwasher during each cycle. It pulls water from the water supply and distributes it through the spray arms. Spray arms. These are rotating arms with nozzles that spray pressurized water mixed with detergent over the dishes, ensuring thorough cleaning. Detergent dispenser. A compartment that holds detergent, typically in tablet, powder, or liquid form. It releases detergent at specific points during the wash cycle. Heating element. This element heats water for washing and rinsing cycles, and in many dishwashers, it also helps dry the dishes by heating the air inside the machine after the wash cycle. Filtration system. A filter located at the bottom of the machine captures food particles and debris from the water, preventing them from being recirculated during the wash. Drain valve. After each cycle, this component opens to remove dirty water from the machine through the drainage system. Working principle of dishwashers. Dishwashers work in a series of well-defined steps to clean dishes. Filling. The dishwasher's inlet valve opens, allowing water to enter the machine. The pump moves water into the spray arms. Spraying. The spray arms rotate, spraying heated water and detergent onto the dishes. The combination of pressure, temperature, and detergent breaks down food particles. Rinsing. After washing, the machine drains the soapy water, refills with clean water, and sprays it to rinse off any remaining detergent and food residues. Draining. Once the rinse cycle is complete, the water is drained again to prepare for drying. Drying. The final phase involves drying the dishes. Some dishwashers use a heating element to evaporate the remaining water, while others may use fan-driven air circulation to dry dishes naturally. Types of dishwashers. Dishwashers come in several different configurations, suited for various uses. Built-in dishwashers. These are the most common for home kitchens and are permanently installed under kitchen counters. They are integrated into the cabinetry and often feature customizable fronts to match kitchen aesthetics. Portable dishwashers. These units are not permanently installed and can be moved around. They usually connect to a faucet and are ideal for homes without dedicated space for a built-in unit. Countertop dishwashers, small, compact units that sit on countertops. They are designed for kitchens with limited space and are suitable for individuals or small households. Commercial dishwashers, larger, more powerful machines designed for restaurants, hotels, and other commercial kitchens. These dishwashers can handle heavy loads and clean dishes much faster than residential units. Energy efficiency in dishwashers. Energy efficiency is a key feature in modern dishwashers, with many models designed to reduce water and energy consumption. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's Energy Star program rates dishwashers based on their energy efficiency. Water efficiency. Dishwashers use significantly less water than hand washing, especially in models with eco or water-saving cycles that use as little as 3 gallons of water per load. Electricity efficiency. Energy-efficient dishwashers use less power, with advanced technologies like smart sensors that adjust the length and intensity of the wash cycle based on the soil level of the dishes. Many models also offer heat-free drying methods, reducing electricity use during the drying process. Maintenance and cleaning of dishwashers. Proper maintenance is essential to keep a dishwasher running efficiently. Cleaning the filter. The filter should be cleaned regularly to prevent food particles from clogging the system. A dirty filter can lead to reduced cleaning performance and unpleasant odors. Checking spray arms. Spray arms can get blocked by food debris, so periodically checking and cleaning the nozzles ensures water flows properly for optimal cleaning. Running a cleaning cycle. Running the dishwasher empty with a dedicated dishwasher cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and baking soda helps remove any buildup of grease, limescale, or detergent. Checking seals and gaskets. The rubber seals around the door should be inspected for wear and cleaned regularly to prevent leaks. Safety features in modern dishwashers. Modern dishwashers are equipped with several safety features to ensure user protection and avoid damage to the machine. Child lock prevents children from accidentally starting the dishwasher or changing settings mid-cycle. Leak detection. Sensors inside the machine can detect leaks and automatically shut off the water supply to prevent flooding. Automatic shut-off. Many dishwashers feature an automatic shut-off function that turns off the machine if it detects a malfunction or an error in the wash cycle. Dishwasher buying considerations. When purchasing a dishwasher, several factors should be taken into account. Size and capacity. Choose a dishwasher that fits your kitchen space and meets your household's needs. Larger households may need a dishwasher with greater capacity. Energy efficiency. Look for models with Energy Star certification to ensure low energy and water consumption. Noise levels. For open-concept kitchens, a quiet dishwasher with a low decibel rating is essential. Special features. Some dishwashers come with additional features like adjustable racks, third racks for utensils, or smart technology that allows you to control the machine remotely via an app. Detergents and rinse aids. Make sure the dishwasher is compatible with high-quality detergents and rinse aids for the best cleaning performance.